Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Wallet not working. So first in your Android device, head over to settings. The next is look for the apps section, or in my case, I have here the app management setting. So click on it. The next is click on App List. This will show you all the list of installed apps and even your default apps on your Android device. Now search for Google Wallet, but in my case, Google Wallet is currently not available in my country or region. But if it's available to you, head over and follow the next steps. So say for example, this is Google Wallet. We're just going to click on it. Just repeat or do the same process that I'm doing. All you have to do is look for the force stop button. It can be found at the bottom right corner of your screen. All you have to do is click on it. Then once again, head over and try launching your Google Wallet once again to see if the problem is solved. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!